Class 7 NCERT Chapter 13 Question 11 shows the two photographs shown in Figure 13.1 and Figure 13.2 had been taken at an interval of 10 seconds. If a distance of 100 meters is shown by 1 centimeter in these photographs, calculate the speed of the blue car. तो सबसे पहले हम इसमें राइट करेंगे the distance covered by the blue car from one horizontal strip to another, which is measured by scale is 1.2 centimeter. हमें दिया हुआ है it is given that 1 centimeter is equivalent to 100 meter. So therefore 1.2 centimeter is equivalent to 120 meter. So the distance traveled by the car is 120 meter. The time taken to cover this distance is equal to time interval between the two photographs. The two photographs is 10 seconds. So the speed formula is distance divided time. So 120 divided 10. The answer is 12 meters per second. That's